I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. Sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. I'm tired still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live.
Bigla mo shoutout guys, Kitty Rowie. Ayan, mag-unboxing ako ng ritual. Ayan. Rituals. Celebrate its day for a beginning. Ayan. Ganda. Sa carton pa lang, panalo na. Sa box pa lang. So, isang napakagandang products galing Japan. Medyo, ano. Okay. So, ayan guys, nabuksan na. Nabuksan na. So, ayan, nabuksan na siya guys. Ganda. Ouch. Ayan. Maganda. Tumatalon. So, ganyan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Regalo ito sa akin. Ayan, oh. Rosana. Sabi niya. Regalo ito anak ng amo ko. From all the kids. Merry Christmas. So, ayan. Ayoko sana siyang gamitin. Kaya lang, ano naman gagawin ko rito? So, may expired. So, ayan. The Ritual of Sakura. Ayan. Super bango to. Ano to? So, kailangan ko pa i-search. Shower gel. Tama-tama yan. Yan, shower gel. Tapos, kasi wala lang akong lotion. So, ayan. body cream. Yan. Basta yun, lotion yan. Yan. So, may binigay sa akin si Rose Christiancy na ganito, pero medyo maliit siya. Ayan. Tapos, ay, super bango. Ito yung habang nag-ano ka doon sa bathtub, sisindahan to. Kasi yung bongga-bongga. Yan. Candle. At saka, yung isa ay body scrub. Sarado pa talaga. So, kailangan to sa bathtub. Ito, gamitin ko na siya kasi may expired. Meron pa akong galing ng ayan. Tapos, ayan, shoutout guys. So, ayan siya. Napakaganda niya. Ang ganda ng box. Diba? Ito ko ilalagay ang aking mga scarf. Mga scarf. Ayan, laki ng braso. So, ayan. Ganda, no? So, ayan ang aking it's my bed. Ayan. Ito. Shower gel. Actually, meron akong shower gel. So, kailangan ko lang ito. Body scrub. Nag-scrub. Sige, try. Kailangan ko lotion. Ayan. Gusto ko sana siya isama sa package. Kaya lang, ako lang gagamit yun. Sayang. So, ito yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Maganda sana pag winter. Habang nagbabatab. Ayan. Super bango talaga. So, ayan guys. Thanks for watching. So, ayan yung unboxing ni Kita Rowie sa kanyang Sakura Rituals. Anong Sakura? Oh, Ritual of Sakura nga. Ayan. Ritual of Sakura. So, ayan. Ritual of Sakura. I'm gonna picture that one.